Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anggun. I'm the moderator from Group 1. Today, we are going to give a short presentation about education and poverty in Indonesia. But first, let me introduce my team. I'm Anggun Asmorochati as the moderator and first speaker, Sakila as the second speaker, Tia Erliani as the third speaker, Wahyu Dea Febrianti as the fourth speaker, Nila Cahyani as the fifth speaker, and Bagas Adinugroho as the sixth speaker. Our presentation is divided into several sections. First, we will explain in general about what education and poverty is. Second, we will discuss the impact and how to deal with them. Third, we will explain the relationship between education and poverty. And then, we will explain the factors that cause the problem of education and poverty. And the last, we will summarize our presentation. Okay, then, let's start our discussion today. What is meant by poverty and education? Poverty is a classic problem that has existed since humans exist. And education is a conscious and planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential.
Hello, my name is Sakila. Here I will tell about what is the cause of this poverty. Based on the poverty the cycle theory, it can be seen that there are several factors that cause poverty, excluding low level of income, education level, and income of consumption. Education is one way to reduce poverty because the first one, education is widely recognized that it has role in the leader in the instrument of economic growth. Second, education has an important role reducing poverty, but in Indonesia or uneven free in the long term. Either directly or indirectly through involvement in general productivity and efficiency, as well as directly through train the poor with skill that needed to increase train productivity and the time will increase train income.
My name is Tia Erliani. What is the impact of poverty on education? The impact of poverty on education is very influential. If poverty is not immediately overcome, it will be very difficult to achieve quality education. In modern times like today, competition is very tight, all of which require quality resources that are able to compete. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. For people, that might not be a problem because they have enough material to improve their abilities and knowledge in various ways. One of these courses. In contrast to people who can afford, some even chose to work instead of going to school. One more reason why education is important because without education human beings will be difficult to develop and might be retarded. Education is to produce quality human beings in mastering science and technology while us being able to compete, skilled, honest, noble, and able to respect the opinions of others.
My name is Wahyu Dea Febrianti. Here I will present how does the government deal with this poverty case. The increasing number of people's poverty, which rose to 49.50 million, or about 24.23% of the total population of Indonesia, gave a big blow to the national economy. The government then set poverty alleviation effort as one of the priorities of the Indonesian government. The government currently has various integrated poverty reduction programs, ranging from poverty reduction programs based on social assistance, poverty reduction programs based on community empowerment, and poverty reduction programs based on empowerment of small businesses, which are run by various elements of the government, both central and regional. There are 4 basic strategies that have been set in accelerating poverty reduction, namely 1. Improving social protection programs, 2. Increasing access of the poor to basic service, 3. Community empowerment, and the last is inclusive development. In relation to this strategy, the government has established poverty reduction instrument divided into 4 clusters.
Hello everyone, my name is Nila Jayani. Will explain number 4. Why is the poverty and low level of education related? As explained by social science, displaying poverty is always a strike line with low education. Therefore, if I kill high genetic link in a for learning environment, the outcome will be poor. This is also what Niklaus Driakara noticed about this generation every social change. This generation itself result in 1.000 problem in education. There are economic, political, and social culture factors that cannot be ruled out either. However, it is difficult of all to avoid it because education is the only rational answer that we can give to break the kind of poverty. Thus, I can be called that if the population lives below the poverty line, it is certain that education in the area is neglected. Of course, we can argue that education is not the only factor causing poverty.
Hello, my name is Bagas Adinugroho. Now, we will focus on why are there so many children who cannot continue their education to a higher level. According to UNESCO 2008, socio-economic level affect individual in the family and is reciprocally related to the burden or economic pressure in the family. Personal stability as an important factor in fostering relationship between family members is also much influenced by economic pressure, although background and personality also have an effect. So the economic situation of the family is closely related to children learning. Children who are studying in addition to having their basic needs as food, clothing, and others, also need learning facility such as classroom, tables, time, lighting, writing, utensil, books, and others. Can only be fulfilled if the family has sufficient money. So the reason children cannot continue their education is due to low economic condition. children prepare to work to meet their daily needs rather than continue their education, where the cost of education is now increasingly expensive.
Well, that's our presentation. To conclude in my presentation today, the conclusion is that poverty is a classic problem that has existed since humans exist, and education is a conscious and planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential. The government way of dealing with poverty cases is the increasing number of people poverty, which rose to 49.50 million, or around 24 to 30% of the total population of Indonesia, giving a big blow to the national economy. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. It was an honor being here today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.